Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my very first FabFitFun Spring 2024 box. It's a special one, so let's get into it and check it out. At the end of Spring Spoilers, FabFitFun reached out to me and asked me if I would like to be a FabFitFun partner, which I am now. I said yes, of course. They let me customize a box. This is that customized box that they've sent me. If you are new to FabFitFun, I'm going to tell you all about it, and then we're going to get in here and see what I chose for all my customizations. FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. It is lifestyle because you may get clothing, kitchen goods, household goods, skincare, makeup, a whole myriad of different things to choose from in this box. And you do choose. If you sign up to be a seasonal, you will choose from the first 4 of 6 customizations. If you sign up to be an annual member, you will customize all 6 customizations, so it is fully customizable. As a seasonal, it will be $59.99 per season, and as an annual, it will be $219.99 per year. You pay in advance, but you save $5 a box, and you get to fully customize your box. If you've been around the channel, me being a FabFitFun partner now really doesn't change anything for you. The only thing it really changes is I will maybe have boxes a little bit earlier to show you guys, and I have my own code now. So I will put links and codes down below. If you sign up to be a seasonal member, you will get 20% off your first box with the link below and code Catherine. And if you sign up to be an annual member, this changes too. I didn't used to have an annual code, but now with Catherine Gift and the link down below, you will get a free gift with your purchase. So that brings your first box, which could have a value of up to $350, down to $47.99. Okay, let's get into this. As you guys know, I already do and love FabFitFun. I have done it for years. I even do 2 annual boxes now. I love it so much. So FabFitFun is not new to me. Ooh, when we open it up, it says really big, Spring 2024. How fun is that? And I love that green on the inside. Another thing that I don't talk about a lot with FabFitFun are the brands. Anastasia Beverly Hills, Pat McGrath Labs, Beyond Yoga, Swell. These are just a few. Tula, of the brands that were just in this season, not to mention the sales. There are a lot of brands over in the sales too, and as a member, you can do the sales. You can do add-ons when we do our boxes. You can do the edit sale. There are flash sales that you can get up to like 70% off in, and those are my choices. This is a big box. In customization 1 in this box, I chose the Swell Salad Bowl Kit. I am so glad to have this in my hand. During spoilers, we had so many questions about this, and I love the size. Some people asked if I thought it would be too small or too big. Knowing Swell and liking Swell, I was hoping they would nail it, and they did. Some people asked if it would fit in a lunchbox. I don't think it would fit in a normal sized, actually, I have one here because I'm gonna put it in a giveaway. This size lunchbox, no. There it is in comparison, for those of you who asked. But it would absolutely fit in a tote or one of the lunch bags that's, you know, the taller, narrower ones. I think it would fit in there. That is what the top looks like. Let's see. The lid comes off easily, but does feel secure. And then on the inside, we have the piece, I think of it as the piece where you're gonna put your salad dressing, but you can put anything you wanted in here. And as I open this, I will put up here the other customization choices that you could have made in customization 1. And at the end of this, I will put a link back to the full review of all the customization choices in case you're thinking about signing up and you want to go see what else you could have chosen. So there's this part that slips out, and then the full big bowl. So see I'm trying to show you guys the depth of it. So this comes probably right to about where the bottom of this is. And then the rest of it is salad. It's not salad, it's empty. Can you tell that I'm already picturing my lunch in here? I would put my salad down there, put the lid on it. I'm not doing much bread, but you know what? I love the La Banderita wraps. Shout out to La Banderita. And you could fold one of those and put it up top. You could put your silverware in here so it would stay nice and clean. Very happy with this choice. And on top it says scan for exclusive Swell offer. Well, let me do that and tell you guys what it is. It's taking me to swell.com where you can get up to 30% off select styles. Ooh, they have this in a different color and bottles. Very cool. And they also have a cutlery set that you could get for $18 that you would get then 30% off. This was my choice in customization 1. In customization 2, how could I not? Because they are the perfect Goodbye Buys pair, right? I chose the Swell water bottle. I have some Swell water bottles. I don't have any this big. This is the 25 ounce. Mine are all the smaller ones. And the beauty of this one, some people were like, yeah, I use my regular ice in the hole. And I'm thinking this is a bigger hole than the one that I have on mine. That's gonna make it so much easier. I love this size. I drink a lot of water, so I don't leave the house without taking it with me. So this was my choice, and I'm showing you what other choices you could have made in customization too. And how great a set is that? That's gonna be, I'm gonna feel so extra with the matching set. I'll throw it in my little tote bag. That'll be perfect. In customization 3, I chose the short stories basket. During spoilers, we had so many questions about this because it was called large, and some people were like, but how large is it? So when I got the opportunity to get this, and I thought, and I do, I have it in hand, and we'll put this up probably the day that add-ons open for seasonal. So you can see some of these products in my hand before you go in and do your customization on Friday, which goes to the point, if you would like to sign up, seasonals customize tomorrow from when I am putting this up. I'm gonna put this up on Thursday. Seasonals customize at noon Eastern Friday. So if you sign up, you can do customization of the first 4 categories, which is what this and the other 2 things I chose fell into. I think this is pretty good sized relative to my head. In person, what can I show you? Well, I can show you the swell thing in it. In person, I feel like it's a little bigger than you thought it was gonna be. I mean, there's a huge Stanley. So this is gonna be handy. I can't decide. Oh, I could also put it back there. I can't decide whether I want to put it, my plan was to put it right where we come in the front door. We could put our keys. Sometimes my husband tosses his wallet in here. So it does help if it's a little bigger. I could put a little plant in the corner and then the keys and stuff up front, and it would be very decorative. This was my choice from customization 3. I'm showing you the other choices you could have made. I am so glad I'm getting this and getting it up in hand for you to see before seasonals customize. Customization 4, we have the, I held that upside down. We have the St. Jane Luxury Sun Ritual Pore Smoothing SPF Sunscreen. And I got this, we've talked about it on the channel. If you are new, I have very sensitive skin and I really prefer a mineral sunscreen. I try and stay away from chemical sunscreens. And this was a mineral sunscreen. So I am always happy to add a new sunscreen to my daily ritual. Oh, I love the way, this is just so gorgeous. That is gonna look so pretty sitting on my vanity. I mean, that's just, and it's one of the thinner tubes. I love the wide, narrow tubes. There's something that seems posh about them to me. We're gonna go ahead and check this out, see if it, pardon my Fitbit, my FabFitBit. Oh, that is the color. It's a nice tinted color for me. It's almost exactly my skin tone. Here, let's see if I can do this up here. Oh, it feels nice. It feels like it's just going to be so easy to put foundation over. Wow, that feels quite nice. Has it got a scent? Maybe slightly floral. I am very pleased with this. Even in the winter, you know, the sun off of snow, or I don't know where the sun is relative to us, but they say that even in the winter, we need to use an SPF. This says Desert Rose, Hibiscus, and Jasmine. So it is slightly floral. It is not, it would not at all put you off though. If you are put off by florals, I would not use that as the only reason to not try this, because it is a very light scent. I bet you probably can't even smell it on your face. Probably. Just for the record, the active ingredient is zinc oxide, 10%. It says their sheer invisible texture melts into your skin beautifully, blurring the look of pores. Desert Rose, Hibiscus, and Jasmine, visibly smooth, sensitive, and blemish-prone complexion. So it was perfect for me. I have shown you your other choices in customization 4. Customization 5, I chose the Nude Sticks Hydropeptide Lip Butter, Shea and Avocado. That sounds lovely, doesn't it? It says shea and avocado butters instantly soften up texture to lock in moisture. So when we take the lid off, it is a slant tube. Squeeze a little bit out. It's just completely clear. I have on a lippy, but we'll put a little bit of this over it. Minty. Feels nice. Doesn't taste like really anything. It is slightly minty. It just feels very nice. Oh, I will like that. This time of year, my lips can use all the moisture I can find. And if a lippy isn't what you want, here's your other choices in customization 5. In customization 6, we did not talk about this in spoilers. It was out there on the internets. variously, but never a reliable source to me. And I wasn't sure it was there, so we didn't talk about it. But Living Proof Perfect Hair Day was in customization 6, and it is the dry shampoo. And I need dry shampoos. I have a couple left of last time when we could get the Vegamore, because Vegamore is what I use for serum, shampoo, and conditioner. I got as many of those as I could. I just finished up, so I have to take one of these downstairs. So after the one I take down, will only have one more. I love it. It has made me be so much better about breaking the cycle of washing my hair every day. So hopefully I will feel the same way about this and keep my streak going. Oh, it smells nice too. So that helps a lot. It's not just about getting rid of the oil for me, it's getting rid of that second day hair smell. And these were the other choices that you can make in customization 6. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by for my first I'm a FabFitFun. Oh, it smells so good in here now. I'm a FabFitFun partner. It is very exciting. I have been doing FabFitFun for so long and doing the spoilers. I feel really privileged to be able to do it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If I can answer them, I certainly will. I am so glad that I am getting this up the day before seasonals do customization, so you can see relative to size, you can see things. I'll just hold everything up again in case you have any other questions. Actually, let me put it in a box and make it look nice. This is what it looks like all put together. Those are all 6 of my choices. If you are new to FabFitFun, I will put the links down below for you. As a seasonal, you will get 20% off your first box, which will bring this down to $47.99 for up to $350 in merchandise. If you are signing up as an annual, I will put a different link with the code CatherineGift, and that will get you a bonus gift. My 2 annual boxes have both already shipped. I'm so excited. I did rush, so we'll have those soon too, but this is my first partner box, and I'm so excited. Thank you for coming by, guys, and I'll see you again real soon.